Hey guys, so today I was really feeling the purple and blue vibes. My mom got me this cool Austrian crystal necklace that I've been wanting to wear, and I really wanted to match it up with, these two colors, the purple and blue. So first I'm starting off with my LA Colors 16 color eyeshadow palette and my LA Girl Pro Primer stick. And I'm just going to start creating a wing across my whole eyelid. So this white primer stick is going to work as a base for the shimmery eyeshadows. I wasn't sure if it was going to make the shimmery colors pop, but when I started using it, they really showed up bright. So I'm first taking the blue shade in the palette, and I'm just going to use the sponge applicator that comes with it. And I'm just going to start dragging the blue from the inner corner about halfway on the eyelid. And I'm just going to work the color into that section till I get it to the desired amount. And then going in with the purple shade, I'm just going to blend that through the blue and then across the other side of the eyelid. And then I'm going to go along the bottom part where I flicked the wing out on the bottom near the lower lash line. And now to kind of go on top of the purple, I'm taking this liquid eyeshadow by Nickac in Galactic Blue. And then I felt like this really helped to make the purple more radiant and stand out. It kind of gives it a holographic kind of look. It's really cool. And then with my Jordana Aqua Last eyeshadow pencil, I'm going to start going along the inner corner of the lower lash line and also in the waterline a little bit. I am using a lot of LA Colors products today, so then I'm going to take this Colors Auto Eyeliner by LA Colors, and that's going to go on the other side of the lower lash line, and I'm going to drag it up into the wing. And then with my Total Temptation mascara, I'm going to pop that on my lashes, along with my Skinny mascara Mega Slim by Wet n Wild on the lower lashes. And then lastly, we'll be taking my LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss, and we're just going to bring that on the lips. And yeah, that pretty much completes this blue and purple eyeshadow look. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my name is Christy Luxa Fashion, and then Twitter is Christy Luxa. Don't forget to like and subscribe below if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios, guys!